Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll show you several ways to fix your device is missing important security and quality fixes Windows Update error. Let's jump in and get it sorted. Although I'm using Windows 10, the methods shown also apply to Windows 11. In my opinion, the first thing you should try when Windows Update is broken is to go to Windows Settings and run the troubleshooter. At the bottom, select Additional Troubleshooters, then scroll down to Windows Update and press the Run the Troubleshooter button. Windows will try to find issues and fix them, automatically let it run and follow any on-screen prompts. In my case, the troubleshooter couldn't identify the problem, but don't worry, I'll show you more ways to fix this. Another method is to restart the Windows Update service. Press Windows plus R, then type Services, MSC in the Run dialog, and press Enter. In Services, find Windows Update, right-click it, and choose Restart from the context menu. Wait a few moments for the service to stop and start. Now check for updates again in Settings Update and Security or Windows Update. Press the Retry button. If the device still shows it's missing important fixes, let's move on to the next method. Instead of restarting services in the GUI, you can run the following 6 commands in Windows Terminal as admin, as they may help you fix the update issue. If I forgot to add the commands to the video description, let me know and I'll post them there. Then give the Windows Update Retry button another shot. If that still doesn't work, you could try one of the many scripts found on GitHub. GitHub is a well-known place to find free software and scripts. I used the Reset Windows Update PowerShell script by Ryan Neemth. Simply copy the raw version of the script, paste it into Notepad, and save the file with a PS1 extension. You can run the script via double-click or paste the script in Windows PowerShell ISE. Make sure to run PowerShell or PowerShell ISE as an administrator before running the script. Right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Check the script, then press the green Run Play button at the top. For some reason, the script didn't fix the problem for me. If you hit the same issue, try this next method. If all mentioned methods have failed so far, you can try this offline install hack. Download the Windows updates released as offline packages and install them manually. I prefer to look on GitHub, but you can use other trusted sources. First, make sure to download all parts of the ISO. My connection was unstable, so I used Free Download Manager to download the files reliably. Once the download finishes, I use 7-zip to combine the parts. Right-click the first part and choose Extract to ISO to put them together. Then open the folder and run the Update Installer exe as an administrator. Right-click the exe and choose Run as Administrator. Then hit the Start button. If everything goes well, the installer will apply the updates and you'll have the latest Windows updates installed. You can also try this portable update tool if you prefer. So, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Try the methods in no particular order and don't forget to reboot between attempts. If one method doesn't work, move to the next. Most Windows Update problems are resolved by these approaches. Leave a comment below which method worked for you. Good night.